Okay, returning to the video. I think it's still running. We'll see. I can solve compound inequalities. So, how are we going to do that? What is a compound inequality? We should start with that. So, a compound inequality is where we have something like negative 14 is less than or equal to x, which is less than 37. Okay, and the graphs are a little bit more complex, but really you're looking at this as two different inequalities. You have x is less than 37, so you'll have a graph that represents that, and x is greater than or equal to negative 14, so you'll also have a graph that represents that. And we'll do a couple of examples, and I believe there's some YouTube, there are some YouTube videos. I believe there's some Khan Academy exercises that will let you practice that. But we want to be able to solve these, and so this one doesn't need to be solved. Let's do another one. Let's have something like negative 12. Sure, negative 12 is less than 2x plus 4, which is less than or equal to 46. That seems like a good number. Okay, so now, and I don't have a scale that, I can't have you picturing a scale necessarily. You can do this a couple of different ways. We can make this into two different inequalities. 2x plus 4 is less than or equal to 46, and 2x plus 4 is greater than or equal to negative 12. And we could do that, or we could just do this all at once. And so we're going to do it all at once, but instead of applying it to both sides of something, we're applying it to all sides of something. So first thing we're going to do, I'm going to subtract 4 from all sides. Okay, so negative 12 minus 4 is negative 16, is less than 2x. Positive 4, negative 4 cancel each other out. That goes to 0. Is less than or equal to 46 minus 4 is 42. And then I'm going to divide out my 2. I'm going to do that on all three spots. Negative 16 divided by 2 is negative 8. 2x divided by 2, so keep our less than sign. 2x divided by 2 is x. And 42 divided by 2 is 21. Okay, so negative 8 is less than x is less than or equal to 21. And that is where we're going to end with that one. Hopefully it makes sense. So negative 8 is less than x, and x is less than or equal to 21. Negative 8 also has to be less than 21, right? That hopefully the end, your number should make sense. If we had something like 22 is less than x, but x is less than or equal to 21, that doesn't work. It doesn't make sense. And I'm going to do a pretty complex one for the next one with the graph. And so it might be a slightly longer video, but